15th edition of Elecrama is being organized in Greater Noida, and this is the first major event of EMA post-COVID, and people like us, industry fraternity, is thrilled and excited to intermingle and interact with various senior colleagues of ours from the utility, specifiers, contractors and end users. APAR as a company has been associated with Elecrama for very long, and we are excited to welcome our friends in our stall. APAR started the cable business after acquiring a cable company in 2008. In last 14 years, we have churned a name for ourselves where we are the pioneers in producing specialty cables. We are pioneers in cables for windmills. We are pioneers in cables for solar. That means we have an added advantage as far as the largest manufacturer in renewable. Besides this, we work very closely with the defense sector. We have developed many cables for military and navy applications like tactical cables, teether cables, underwater cables, and besides this, we are the major suppliers of cables to INS Vikrant, which was recently launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of India. We are also the pioneers and the major supplier of wire to Vande Bharat train, which Government of India has announced. Besides this, most of the cable companies produce wires with PVC, whereas we have created a unique product called Anushakti, which is an E-beam wire which can sustain a temperature of 105 degrees centigrade, which is melt resistant and has got a life of 50 years. We would be more than happy to take you around in our stall and showcase these unique products which will be on display at Elecrama. Thank you so much.